Hello students, my name is Anindita Deb. My qualification is MSc in Applied Physics and B.Ed. I have a teaching experience of 2 years, and today I shall be discussing with you the chapter of electrostatics that is in your HS second year syllabus, and in that chapter we will be discussing today about Coulomb's law. So electrostatics, it is the branch of physics that deals with the static charged particles or stationary charged particles or very slow moving charged particles with zero acceleration. So this Coulomb's law, this was actually the law named after Sir Charles Coulomb, who formulated a law named after him. He was a French scientist, so he formulated a law which was named after him, and which deals with the interaction between charged particles, or when charged particles are kept at a distance, how they behave with one another. So he said that when a charged particle is kept in presence of another charged particle, it will experience a force, or both will experience a force due to one another. So this Coulomb's law, it is the most fundamental law that governs electrostatic. So in the Coulomb's law, the force that will be experienced by the charged particles due to one another, that force is directly proportional to product of the two charges. So if I am taking Q1 and Q2 to be the two charges, then it will be the product of the two charges. So you can see the diagram here. Q1 is one charge, Q2 is another charge, and r is the small r is the distance of separation between them. So this force will be directly proportional to Q1 and Q1 into Q2. This is our equation number 1, where Q1, Q2 are the charged particles. Now these two charged particles may be of same polarity or different polarity. So like Q1, Q2 can be both positive or both negative, or Q1 or one may be positive and one may be negative. So this is our equation number 1. So see next, this force is again inversely proportional to the square of the distance of separation between them. So we know that the distance of separation between them is r, so it will be square of, that is your 1 by r square. So this is our equation number 2, where r is distance of separation between the charged particles. Now if I combine equation number 1 and equation number 2, what I can write, F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by r square. So this is our equation 1 and 2. So combining, we are writing it as F directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by r square. Now we know that if I want to remove this proportionality symbol, what I should write here, I should put 1 equal to sign followed by a constant of proportionality, and the rest of the thing will be same. It will be product with the rest of the thing. So F equals to K Q1 Q2 by r square. So K is what? K is